In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Coinbase wire transfer receive details in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned Coinbase user or just starting out, finding these details is essential for secure and efficient transfers between your bank and your Coinbase account. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to open the Coinbase app or website and log in. This step is straightforward, but it's also crucial to ensure that you're logged into the correct account. If you have multiple accounts or use a shared device, double check that you're accessing the right one to avoid any confusion or mishaps. Once you're logged in, navigate to My Assets and then to Cash. Here, tap on US dollar or USD. This action will direct you to your account's cash management section, which is where you can manage your USD holdings and initiate transactions including deposits and withdrawals. Next, you'll want to proceed by selecting Deposit. This option is typically featured prominently to facilitate easy access, ensuring you can manage your funds efficiently. Depositing funds is critical for those looking to quickly and methodically increase their USD balance on Coinbase, enabling more flexibility with your crypto investments and other financial moves. After clicking on Deposit, choose Wire Transfer as your payment method. Wire transfers are a reliable and fast way to add funds directly from your bank account to Coinbase. This method is often preferred by many because of its security and the speed with which transfers can occur once initiated properly. Following your selection of wire transfer, Coinbase will display the necessary wire transfer details for you. Now, this is the important part. You'll see details such as the bank name, routing number, account number, and a reference code. Each of these pieces of information is essential for your bank to process and successfully complete the wire transfer. It is vital that you use these details precisely as they appear when you initiate a wire transfer from your bank. Here are a couple of crucial tips. Firstly, make sure that the name on your bank account matches exactly with your Coinbase account. This match is imperative to prevent any transfer issues or accidental rejections. Secondly, always include the reference code provided. This reference code is like an address label on a package. Without it, your deposit might be delayed or worse, returned to the sender. And there you have it, a straightforward yet thorough guide on how to find wire transfer receive details on Coinbase. By following these steps and tips, you can ensure your funds reach their intended destination smoothly and efficiently. Feel free to check back anytime you need a refresher on the process. Thanks for watching and happy trading.